time for home projects inside and out. So here, with 4 things you need to add to your checklist, is friend of the show and 20-year home improvement and lifestyle expert, Kathryn Emery. All right, I'm excited because you always bring the best stuff. Let's start outside, and this is what I need because these things, they love me. They just want to be with me all the time. Help us with mosquitoes.
I mean, number one, everybody loves you, but you know what? The mosquitoes, you're not invited here, right? We want to enjoy our outside space without them this season. So, Emily, what if I told you with just the push of a button, they will not bother you anymore? So I found this product called the Cutter Eclipse. Here is why I love it. Like I said, it's a rechargeable, refillable device that just with the push of a button, it's going to give you 40 hours of protection. Here's what I love. No scent within minutes after you push the button. It's family-friendly protection. I'm digging it. I'm putting one of these all over my yard, but think about it. You could even take it with you if you're going to the lake, if you're going camping. You just don't want mosquitoes around. You don't have to think about it. Isn't this just genius? I keep joking. Like, think about like that Star Wars barrier that you can't see around where everybody can come and vibe with you but the mosquitoes.
Well, okay, I'm going to have to try it because I have literally tried everything. I've burned egg cartons. I've had burning charcoal. I've tried the citronella. I have tried everything to no avail. So I'm going to have to try that one. But another thing that gets me outside is gardening. I think in my so I'm approaching middle age, and I think I want to become a plant lady. So you've got some gardening for us.
All right, we're giving you a care package because my friends at Diggs, I dig what they make. Okay, so number one, they're known for their gloves. So these are high quality, durable gardening gloves for whatever type of gardening or outdoor activity you want to do. They also have amazing accessories. So of course, you got to look good too, but really they have great fashion forward stuff. So I want to tell you about these 3 new things that you need to rock out in the garden, and you will rock it, girl. So number one, look at this stylish straw sun hat. I can see you up there in Fresno. You know, it's wide brim, lightweight, protecting ourselves from the sun up there. All right, then when you got to get down on your knees in the garden, this is their kneeling pad. Look at how thick this thing is. Extra wide. Beautiful thing. It's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about throwing it there in the garden. But honestly, I know you're doing home projects all the time. You can use this anywhere where you want that knee protection. And then this is a really cool product. It's called their cooling towel. So it's water activated. You can wear it as a bandana. You can wear it around your neck, but it's water activated. It's got SPF in it. But aren't you, I mean, am I inspiring you over here to get stuff done? But you got to look good while you do it, right?
Yes.
Don't you think?
I love that everybody's going the aesthetic route. I always want to look good whenever I'm doing anything. And one thing I do at home a lot is I clean my floors a lot. You've got some go-tos for cleaning the floors.
All right, I'm bringing you one of these for sure. This is the Rejuvenate Click and Clean Multi-Surface Spray Mop. I have been using this product for years, and I'm going to tell you why. Number one, look at that microfiber pad, Emily. So that's got 10,000 scrubbing microfibers. Working hard. It's almost like having like the 10,000 dwarfs on your floor right there, making it happen, right? The nice thing I love is that it's washable and reusable, so you're saving money, but it's also better for the environment. You get 2 pads in this kit. Look at that extra wide mop head too. You're getting surface area, so you're getting it done quickly and efficiently. They even have a little scrubbing pad on the other side, and in the kit comes this all floors cleaner. So girl, whatever you have, wood, tile, laminate, you're getting it done. Isn't this so smart? You're gonna actually enjoy cleaning your floors because you get it done quickly and efficiently.
Super light. Wait, I like that. Okay, something else. Okay, this is the biggest fight in my house. The garage. How can we get into the garage and get it organized?
Because I don't know. I mean, do you actually park a car in the garage,
nope.
Right? That's like a novel concept, right? So, you know, I talk to you about Rubbermaid products all the time because I really just do think they make the best quality products. So this is called their Fast Track Rail System. So I have with me, this is the 7-piece starter kit. So it comes with 2 rails, 5 hooks. Okay, that's going to get you going, girl. But what I like about it is you can add additional hooks, you can add shelving, you can add whatever accessory you want, and they've got a lot based on your needs. So if it's a lawnmower, if it's golf clubs, tools, lawn, you name it, paint cans, you can keep adding it. 1,000 pounds is what it's going to hold, so it's super durable. And you and I can install it, one person install in one day with tools you have around the house. You find this at Home Depot and HomeDepot.com. I know we got a lot of those there in Fresno, but you need this, right? I'm bringing you this.
Yes, the key to organization is getting stuff off the ground, using that vertical space, and that's really what we need to do, and that can help you do that. I love all of these products. Where can we go for more information?
Everybody should go to BeTheBestHome.com for information on all these great products and more amazing home tips, right?
Okay, perfect. You've always got the best stuff. All right, Kathryn Emery, our go-to home improvement lifestyle expert. Thanks for being here.
It is always my pleasure talking to you. Thanks for having me. Until